My name is Mike Taylor. I own Jamz muscle cars with my wife Jennifer Taylor. We built a 1969 Dodge Charger for customer Eric brand up in Iowa. The 69 Charger has a SRT Hellcat in it with a 6-speed manual transmission. It has the RMS rear suspension, rear RMS front suspension, 4-link in the rear, Willwood disc brakes. It has the retro sound radio in it, electric power door locks, windows, trunk. Just about anything you can do to a old car to make it new, we made it new, but we kept the 69. It's a really special car to us, and I want to thank everybody that helped us on it.